let me give you the comparison of waterfall and agile. So waterfall and agile use uses test stages and the phases, requirement analysis and the system design, implementation, testing, deployment and maintenance. Same as agile, also same thing will be followed, but whereas in agile you will be having the sprints and suitable for big projects. Waterfall will be like 5 or 10 years of projects itself, so that it is suitable for big projects, whereas agile will be fit for small and big projects as well. It will be suitable for small projects to complete in very less time and doesn't involve clients, whereas in agile you will be involved in clients every day. Also you can get the requirements, or for each and every sprints you can get requirement. But with suppose you are developed with some sprint, you are completed with some sprint, now the client will get the new requirement, you should be able to add it in the next sprint. So that is how it follows. So that is why clients are highly involved in the development projects. So in the whereas in waterfall you have the project leader and the project management, so which are from the non-IT background. Whereas here you will be having the scrum master, so maybe he may have IT background, he may not have IT background, but the thing is he will be getting the requirement, he will plan accordingly what feature you have to develop in which sprint. So he will be planning. So based on that you can create the story, subtask, each and everything. So in the product requirement itself, when you are talking to the clients itself, you will be able to get the requirements from the clients. Then and there itself, you can define the epics. And then the Scrum Master will be responsible for defining the epics. Under that, the people can define the stories, tasks, bugs, epics, all these things. Next. Whereas in waterfall the interactions will be happen only when we are taking the requirements. Other than that we are not going to take the requirements, because once the requirement is done, so after 6 years or after 5 years only we are going to meet the particular client. So whereas in Agile we will be having the constant meetups. So, okay, we have developed this thing, do you want any changes to be done? So everything you have to interact with the clients. That's how it happens. Next, there is no turning back for the previous phase. If there are any requirements, the problem may occur. So as I told you, if you wanted to add new feature, you should not be able to add it. You have to wait till the last process completed. So whereas in Agile, you have the concept like whether you wanted to go with that or not. So suppose if you wanted to add new feature, you can go and add it.